Okay, so I wasn't gonna do this today, but I figured it's better to do it right after the day instead of doing it the day after. Okay, so obviously going into the day, based on the daily, it's obviously looking very bullish. You know, you have your long-term range, range low, we strongly rejected the range low. And it's also the last day of the month, so that's worth mentioning as well. And yeah, so we sort of went lower. I figured like this is a breaker, we might go lower. I completely failed. This was a big mistake on my part. I completely failed to mark this level, which is obviously a relevant level. We have the uh, overnight lows, overnight highs. We have these equal lows here. Okay, and yeah, let me just do it like that. Okay, so what actually happens? We start by getting this massive rally. Start by getting the massive rally, and I don't do anything because I obviously want to see the market like reveal its hand before I enter. Market sells off aggressively, so we tried higher, we tried lower, and then I notice here that we're kind of accepting lower prices, right? We're below this hourly breaker, and I shorted the retest here. Very simple, very obvious. And so I took this trade. Target is the overnight lows right there. Okay, so that was clean. And then I tried to long, which is, I'm not 100% sure on this. I don't think it's terrible, but it's like, because I didn't really feel confident when I took it. But I was like, it's okay, because it's, you know, it's at the overnight lows. We took out the lows, we like closed higher. I got stopped on that. And then I missed this, which I feel like this would have been really clean, you know? I feel like this would have been really good. It's at that, it's at the hourly level here. See that level? That's this level. And so longing here with a TP in the middle of the range, I think it's very, very clean, very obvious. But I missed it. But yeah, definitely could have taken that. And then just sideways, 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 kind of shitty. I was thinking like, hey, it's the end of the month, and you know, the daily looked really bullish, and now that we reacted off of this, it's looking really bullish. So I was thinking it might run higher. And so I think this is a decent entry here, you know. If you just target, you don't even need to target a new high, you can just target into this breaker, you know. It's obviously pretty self-explanatory. We come lower, we break higher, you know. Yeah, there you go. This is an obvious trade, I think. Obviously, the structure is bullish, you know. It's very obvious. So yeah, definitely could have taken that, but I wasn't paying attention at that point. And then you could have probably bought this breakout as well, but I'm not so sure because it's already gone up so much, and you're sort of buying the breakout into this swing high. But yeah, I mean overall, interesting day. I'm yawning. Interesting day. Definitely could have traded better. I wasn't at all at my A game today. That's the real lesson. The real lesson for today is just like you need to be putting less effort into trading and more effort into setting yourself up to trade successfully, you know? Like it's impossible to just sit there and stare at the chart for 6 hours every day. So you obviously need something else to do at the same time, but it can't be so distracting that you miss trades. Like I missed this, which is like, this is a fantastic setup, and I missed this because I wasn't even looking at the chart. So it's like you can't play video games or watch YouTube, but you still need something else to do because you're gonna go crazy if you just like if you just stare at the chart, you're just gonna stop paying attention. So it's kind of like, yeah. And also the other lesson for today is that I need to take more time. I need to take more time to do the preparation because I missed this. I somehow missed like the most obvious, relevant, clearly important level. Very obvious hourly level. which was the low, by the way. And so, yeah, I definitely have some shit to work on. I'm just so tired right now, but yeah, okay.